Hey friends, Catherine here. I wanted to draw something for Inktober. Inktober is where you are encouraged to draw something every day, and while I do draw something every day, I don't always record it. But I thought, for today, why not? So I am going to draw something in my art journal for Inktober. Let's just find our page. There we go. Okay. And then let's pull out our pens and start drawing. I'm going to be using some of my favorites, which I like microns. You use whatever you prefer. And I think I will start with an 03. All right, let's do this thing. There. Well, not too terrible. Not my best work either, but I kind of like it. I'm thinking of calling him the King of Halloween. What do you think? I would love to hear from you. If you want to see more Inktober drawings, I am happy to do them. I've got other ideas. That's the great thing about having a mind. You never run out of ideas. And I would be happy to share them with you. If you did like this, definitely think about subscribing. And I put up new videos every day, so I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Bye!